Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to log into your NBA Live Scores app on your device. Now if you want to log into your NBA Live Score app and watch the live score, the games which are happening or the games which are about to happen, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now to do so, make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of strong data on your device, and after that you need to simply install the NBA app on your device. So if you have already installed, then that's good. If you have not, open App Store or Play Store on your device, and after that you need to search NBA Live Score app and you need to click on the option of install or download to download it on your device. So after that you need to simply open NBA. Now as you can see, this is the landing page of NBA. Now it may take some time, so wait for it. Now a pop-up will say that you need other preference also, so now you need to click on the option of get started if you want to sign up. But if you already have an account, then it says already have an NBA ID, so click on the option of sign in. So from here you need to simply enter your email and you need to enter the password to your account, and after that if you have forgotten your password, you may click on the option of forget password. So if you remove the password, you need to click on the option of sign in, and after doing this you will be able easily to sign into your NBA Live Score account. So after doing this, you'll be able to watch the live score, the games which are happening, and also it will be easier for you to pick a draft while if you're betting also. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.